Hi guys, my name is Michelle Farley, and I have been a divorce lawyer for many years. I've been a lawyer for 33 years, and for most of that time, about 28 years, I've been doing mostly family law in northeastern Pennsylvania. So this is just a brief introductory message as I'm out here hiking in the woods of northeastern PA with my dog Moose, just to get you acquainted with what I offer. So, first of all, I wanted to state that I am not a big proponent or fan of divorce. I myself am a child of divorce. I recognize that it's required or necessary in many situations, but I'm not a proponent or an advocate of it. What I am an advocate for is an efficient and quick divorce without a lot of drama or unnecessary expense once you have reached the point of no return and determined that divorce is necessary. And of course, that can happen for a number of reasons. It can have to do with physical abuse, drug abuse, alcohol abuse, child abuse, a number of things. But if it's just your garden variety arguing and not getting along, then I would say that's part of every marriage, and you should certainly seek out counseling and give that a chance, especially if there are children involved. However, if you're past that point, then my message may be of use to you. So this message is for residents of Pennsylvania. It's also for people who maybe spend part of their year in Pennsylvania or own real estate in Pennsylvania. These are some of the reasons that we would have jurisdiction to file the divorce in Pennsylvania. So if that's you, certainly give a listen. What I'd like to explain to you in this initial, very amateurish message is that I can offer an alternative to some of the more typical divorce services that are out there. I give personal service. I spend a lot of time on the phone, on Zoom or other remote technologies, and in person with my clients when they need that. A lot of people want that personal time with their lawyer and they don't get it. Also want you to know that at this point, I am not really getting involved in many contested cases. So if you know for certain that there is no chance, no way that your spouse is going to agree to be divorced or to agree on the division of the assets or debts, then we certainly can speak, but ultimately I may be referring you to another Pennsylvania lawyer or a lawyer in your jurisdiction. But I do find that many if not most divorces are capable of being settled, being resolved through a written private settlement agreement without involvement of the courts, which saves everyone time, money, and emotional trauma in general. So that's what I'm focusing on at this point in my career, is those families who believe that they're willing to seek out a private settlement. Give me a call. Farley Law LLC. The number's 570-269-5441. As I said, I'm in northeastern Pennsylvania. I do give free consultations to everyone. That's about 15 minutes on the phone. My hourly rate as of this time in summer of 2024 is $300 an hour. That will be subject to increase, and in certain scenarios is subject to being discounted. But if you want a half an hour time frame of advice with me beyond the free consult, then you can certainly purchase that at half my hourly rate. If you are on the other part of Pennsylvania, the other side of Pennsylvania, Western Pennsylvania, and you think that you're interested in my services, please give me a call. As attorneys, we're licensed state by state, so I certainly can work with people in other parts of Pennsylvania. And if you and your spouse consent to having the case resolved in the eastern part of Pennsylvania, then we can do that. And in any event, I am also a divorce mediator. I am a member of the Pennsylvania Council of Mediators and have been for many years. And I have mediated many, many cases to successful conclusion, which is a written signed financial settlement agreement to keep you out of court. So if you think I can serve that role for you, I'd be happy to discuss that with you as well. Give me a call at 570-269-5441. I'd look forward to speaking with you. Happy trails.